Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the Kotlin installation, how we can set up the environment for Kotlin programming. So at first two things need for Kotlin programming, two things need environment setup. One is the Java JDK, Java development kit, Java development kit. Another is the ID. So JDK JDK minimum version 8 and above. Here is the link of JDK download, and another is that we need the ID. So there are number of ID available over the internet. You can use of your choice. Suppose NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ. So we will install the IntelliJ idea. Here is the IntelliJ idea download link. This is the JetBrains link. So at first we need to download the Java SDK. So here is the Java SDK download option. Here is the so we download JDK for Mac OS. Here is the JDK version 10.0. So we have already downloaded the JDK version 10, and here is the IntelliJ ID. So we need to download the IntelliJ ID community version and click the download button, then it will be download. So I have already downloaded IntelliJ ID and Java JDK version 10.0.1. So now we will install the at first we will install the JDK, and then we will install the IntelliJ idea. So here is the our downloaded JDK, and here is the IntelliJ idea editor ID. So at first we will download the JDK. Click the package, and then click the continue button, and then install. So our JDK install succeed. Click the closed. Now we will install IntelliJ IDEA. Select the IntelliJ IDEA and drag to the and click the and while IntelliJ IDEA will install, it was showing the two option import IntelliJ IDEA settings. There is at first we do not import setting option. Click default select and click the OK button. Scroll down the below and this exit button will be visible. Click the exit button and select the don't send. Here is the IntelliJ ID. showing the two option, skip remaining and set default, and next key map. So we will skip remaining and set default, and select the create new project. Here we will see the some option left side Java. So right side is the project SDK. So after installed JDK, this project SDK automatic load the JDK version from the machine, and select the Kotlin JVM, and then it'll automatically show the use library Kotlin Java runtime, and click the next button. So here is the option of JDK version 10.0 is automatically selected after installation. If not select, then you can set path, from your library. Here is the application library. JDK path is home, then is select the JDK path, and then is the open, and then click the next button. Here is your the project name, hello Kotlin. Here is the project location, we can set the project location in desktop. Okay, then click the finish button. The JDK editor is opening. So at past project created, it take time a few seconds for reading. So our JDK editor idea for editor is ready, and also project is opening. Here is our main project. So at first we need to create a Kotlin file. Suppose Kotlin file. Suppose file name is main. Then click the OK button. When we create the Kotlin class, then its extension is showing the .kt. So now we will run the hello world by Kotlin. Function the main argument array string then Finland hello Kotlin. So this is the main function of the Kotlin. When you need a Kotlin project to run or any kind of application, then then your main function is needed. Main function is work as like index or it boot up, and at first run the call the main function. So how we can run the Kotlin hello Kotlin by IntelliJ idea editor. Here you will see the top menu bar is run, and click the run option. Click the main KT. The project is prepared for build, and then we will see the output the Kotlin in console of IntelliJ ID. Here is the console of IntelliJ ID showing the hello Kotlin. You can find the another option hello world. So now we can run from here. Click the run button. Here is the run hello world. So today we have show the how to install the environment of Kotlin. So at first two thing our need, one is the Java SDK and one another is the ID. So we have download the JDK from this link, and IntelliJ ID from JetBean site. So here is the JDK download the Oracle site, and as your requirement, and then you can for operating system you can download the JDK from here. And here is the IntelliJ ID editor download site, JetBean site. You can download the community version. So after download, then at first you will install the JDK and then install the IntelliJ ID. So then you will create the IntelliJ ID project. Here is the IntelliJ project. Left side is the project structure, and here is the Kotlin class. Then you will write code from here. When you run the Kotlin project, click the run option and click the this run button. Then you will see the run output in IntelliJ ID console panel here. Thank you so much.